Right guys, this is how you remove the Porsche front badge. This is on a Porsche Cayenne, but it's more or less the same concept on most of the Porsches. So we're gonna open the bonnet. We need to have the 8mm socket. Keep the bonnet level, because the last thing you want is for these bolts to fall inside the actual bonnet, because then you're not getting them back. So this is what they look like. They're not really bolts. It's like an 8mm socket, and then it's got like adhesive here to hold the badge. But yeah, just slowly loosen that off the badge. Done.